Hello and welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate how to manage user admin access in the Bold BI dashboard server. Managing admin access is essential for maintaining security and control in any application. Without proper access management, sensitive data and system settings can be exposed to unauthorized users. By implementing effective admin access controls, you'll ensure data protection via role-based permissions and streamlined user management, reducing risks and improving operational efficiency. First, select the profile icon and go to Manage Sites. You'll need admin access. Select the user option in the left navigation panel. From the user listing page, select the users to assign the admin role. Use Ctrl+Click to select multiple users. Once you have selected the users, you can select the Make Admin option. After choosing the Make Admin option, a confirmation window will open. Select Yes to assign the admin role to the selected users. To remove the admin role, select any user with the admin credentials and select Remove Admin. After choosing this option, a confirmation window will open. Select Yes to remove the admin role for the selected users. Now you know how to add or remove admin access to users in the Bold ID server. Thanks for watching.